Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can reset or restore camera default settings on iPhone. So if you are having some problems on using your camera on iPhone, you just need to reset or restore the default settings. To do that, go to the settings on your phone, and basically if you open up these settings, scroll down and just need to tap on this general. Here on general, scroll down to the bottom, and then here you will find an option, transfer or reset iPhone. So we're going to tap this option here, and basically just need to tap on this reset right here at the bottom. And then from here, you just need to tap on the reset all settings. And then you'll be asked to enter your passcode and then confirm that action by tapping on reset all settings. This process will reset all settings, including the network settings, keyboard dictionary, home screen layout, and location and privacy, and of course your Apple Pay cards. So it will then reset to their defaults, but no data or media will be deleted. And that's it. That's how you basically reset or restored camera default settings on iPhone. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.